Welcome back, everybody. Sorry I've been gone for far too long. Today we are going to be doing a review of a 6-piece Gershion Polygel kit. We're going to be using only 4 of the main colors because my practice hand only has 4 fingers. So we're not going to be swatching out the clear or the white. So here I'm just showing you everything that was included. This kit did not include a slip solution, so I use the base coat as a solution. But as always, when you are doing any type of nail extensions, you want to be sure to go ahead and prep the natural nail. If you guys want me to do my detailed prep video, drop a comment down below and let me know, and I will get that video uploaded to you. So let's just get back to the video. So you first saw me put a thin coat of base coat gel onto that nail, and then I flash cured it in the Makartt flash lamp that I got from like a foil kit. I only flash cured it for maybe about 20 to 30 seconds to get that in place. But let's talk about this process with these nails, honey. Okay, so what I like to do when I use polygel is I like to use the base coat gel as the slip solution because it tends to work so well. Now though, I left this first clip in real time so you guys can see how pliable this polygel is and how easy it is to work with. But let me just say this, okay? So you're gonna kind of see me struggle a bit because I did apply that base coat gel to the polygel as a slip solution. But let me just say, by far, I do agree with the rest of my nail friends. Working with the Gershion Polygel is a breeze. I love working with it. It is so pliable and so soft. So with that being said, don't use the base coat solution. Don't do it. Don't use it as a slip solution because it's going to make it even more soft. And keep in mind that when you are working with polygel, what happens is the temperature of the room, your slip solution, and things like that is going to play a part in how well the polygel works. Now, the longer that it heats up and the longer that it's out, it becomes soft anyway because it's exposed to the room temperature if it's not too cold. So it is summertime, so keep in mind with that it's going to be very pliable. So what you're going to see me do is I'm going to leave I'm going to actually apply this, but I didn't like the way that it was shaped. I did not like how it was turning out. It was just way too soft, so it wouldn't hold its shape. So what I did with it, what I did at some point was I stopped manipulating the polygel and just did a flash cure. As you can see, if you play really close attention, it was thicker on that left side and way too thin on the right. So I just went on ahead and did a flash cure, and then I applied more polygel. You can always do this. You don't have to get it right on the first time. Don't be intimidated by that. If you need to add more, go ahead, add more. There's nothing wrong with that. Everyone has their own way of doing things. Keep that in mind when you are watching these tutorials on how to do any type of nail extensions. At the end of the day, it's going to be what works for you, hun. Don't get so wrapped up in what works for one person. It may not work for the other. So here in that clip I just showed you, I switched over to my alcohol as a slip solution because, honey, no, that base coat gel was just not working for me, honey. I did not have the time for that, and I was not going to keep on dealing with it. So I'm just going to be quiet for now. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this clip, and I'll pop back in a few. Yes. Did you see how that pinky just came together after I started using that alcohol? It was so much better. It works So much better, let me just say. But before I go any further in this video, I do want to apologize to all my subscribers that I have been missing for a little while. If you watched the last upload that I uploaded, the last video, I'll go ahead and I'll leave that in the description box as well as in the cards. I was talking about the autoimmune condition and being diagnosed with several autoimmune conditions and stuff. So it's kind of hard for me to like do these videos, take clients, and get these uploaded on time. So if you guys would just bear with me, stick it out, hun. Stick it out. Just ride with me. Be that A1. Stick it out with me. I'll go ahead and I'll get those done. I have found a better programming. I have found a better program for editing. So I'm not having such a hard time with getting these edited and getting the voiceovers done and so on and so forth. My apologies to my background if you hear anything in the background. It is a lot to get structured, to get organized, and to get these videos up and running. But I think just like with anything else, like the more you do it, the more comfortable you become with it, and then it becomes a lot easier. So what I am doing here, just jumping back into the clip, I'm not going to do any type of design or anything like that on these nails. This is just a review of that Gershion Polygel kit just to see how pliable it is and how, you know, how well it works, because all polygels are not the same. Some are like very sticky and hard to work with. Others are way too soft, and it doesn't matter if you're using the base coat gel as a slip solution or if you're using that alcohol. So, but overall, I really do like the Gershion Polygel kit. I probably will be purchasing more in the future. Trying to get my clients on board. I actually like working with the polygel versus the acrylic because polygel doesn't have a smell. It's just you do have to, you know, play with it for a while and to form it into shape. But the possibilities are way endless. Guys, on another note, I got some really good news coming up for you guys. So be sure that you guys do have your notifications turned on, because we are going to be doing a giveaway soon, and I do want it to be where everybody has a chance to enter. So you guys need to be paying attention to that, as well as we have a collaboration coming up with another YouTuber. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Also, if you guys are not following me on my social accounts, be sure to go ahead and follow honey, because we hit over 1,000 subscribers on TikTok. Yay! Okay, so make sure y'all stay tuned. If I don't do anything on YouTube and get the videos uploaded, I do post the things to my social accounts. So be sure that you are following the social accounts, because like I mentioned in another video before, it's easier for me to post there because I'm not doing that much editing. There's no voiceovers, and the videos are not that long, especially for TikTok. You have 60 seconds. So go ahead. When you're done watching this video, head over to those social accounts. Hint, hint, that's going to be part of the giveaway rules. So stay tuned. So getting back to these nails on this index finger, this is the color Bean Red. And as you can see, there's like this milky looking substance that, there, and that tends to happen when you use too much slip solution. You're going to be able to see it in the end. So I was trying to like work that out so that it wouldn't actually show through. But after I filed, shaped, and buffed and top coated the nails, I was still able to see a little bit of that milkiness. So be sure you don't use too much slip solution. Kind of pay attention to that. You see me, I'm going to wipe down the nails with a lint-free cloth, and it's not swiping that bottle anymore. I actually have another bottle of swipe, but I'm just kind of trying to save that for my clients. So what I did was mix acetone and alcohol as a dehydrator. It kind of is the same thing. as the young nail swipe, and it works just the same. So I'm showing you here, I'm using a 180 sanding band. Polygel is so easy to file. It is not like acrylic or anything like that, so definitely pay attention when you are filing your polygel, because you can't overfile polygel. It's just that soft, so you don't have to, do a whole lot to actually get this into shape, and it doesn't really take long. I do really like the Gershion Polygel. I definitely will be using it again. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description box below to where I purchased this polygel kit, as well as any other items I use in my videos. They will be linked in the description box below. So always check the description box if you are interested in purchasing any items that you've seen from the video. Also, let me know in those comments down below what you guys want to see me do next. I like to try new things, so it's not going to be a problem for me. Even if I don't know how to do it, honey, I'll learn how to do it. So here you see me, I just flipped over the practice hand. I do this with my clients too, to check their view to make sure everything's all straight, nice, and lined up. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on all post notifications. We would love to have you part of our family. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more content. We're going to talk nails. We're going to talk life. We're going to talk family. So go ahead. Don't be afraid to join the family. If you have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to comment down below. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to other viewers. And if you will be so kind as to share this on your social media channels, this video may be interesting to someone else. So come on and come back, and I will chat with you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting this channel, for all the love, the comments, the likes, and the shares. I greatly appreciate it. And for that, I am forever humbled and grateful. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.